Here's the date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. And right now, we are at the Door Peninsula Winery / Door County Distillery here in Carlsville, Wisconsin. Take a look at this really neat fountain here. I love how it just has like water that kind of rains down like that. That's really cool. But the main purpose of this video is this elevator right here, which we are going to ride. It's an Otis Series one from the early 2000s. And here it is. So let's go up to 2 and 2R. So here's where 2 opens up to. Here's where 2R opens up to. So now let's go to 1 and 1R. Looks like 1R is locked. Alright, let's get your cab view. Not bad for a basic Series 1. There's your lantern up there. Your flow indicator right here. This logo. Key switches. Your fire service instructions. Here are your buttons. And here's your phone. So given that the rear floors are on the same level as the front floors, you can basically use this elevator to get into like the production area from here. So the elevator serves that purpose as well. And now we're going to go back up to 2 to show you the fountain from the second floor, because I find that fountain really interesting. So watch the button go up. So here's looking at the fountain from the second floor. And basically, as you can see, the water falls all the way down to that well down there. And through these, through these like little sprinklers up here. It looks like. I kind of thought the water was flowing directly through that hole up there, but no, there's apparently there's something covering it. It looks like. And the water is actually flowing out of these little holes right here. So, yeah, that's really interesting. So now we're going to head back down the elevator. I think somebody might have used it, it looks like. Take a look around while we wait, I guess.
I just want to see if there's anything to do with
There's looking inside the winery. An interesting fact about this place is that it used to be an old schoolhouse in 1862, but then it was converted to a distillery. And but it wasn't until 2004 when they extended it here and added an elevator. So, now we'll get on the 1. Watch the button go out again. I'll watch it close up. There it goes. And that'll be it.